going on, YouTube? Hemi Life. So got these jam handles in. Actually got 4 of them for the 2020 Durango RT from Jam Handle. I'll put the link down. I actually found these through another YouTuber. I'll put his YouTube down below since I got the idea from him to even look at these and put them on my Durango. So basically they're plastic, not flimsy, but they're not, they're not bad. Got 3M tape on the back. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and throw these on the jams real quick, and then we'll come back. Alright, YouTube, so the hardest part was just taking the 3M backing off because it's really hot down here and it was sticking down. Here in Texas, got really hot, pushing 100. But anyway, here it is on the Durango door jam. I got the 4 ones since Durango doors are big like truck doors. Simple as that. Just put it in the door jam, grab it, and close it. Put on the rear doors too, so I did one on each door. 4-finger. Probably could did a 2 or 3. One here, but I had enough space for 4, but 2 or 3 would have fit just fine. But yeah, same concept. Just grab it and close. So yeah, guys. Quick, simple, cheap. I think I got a promotional code. I want to say it was like TD34 or something from another YouTuber. Let's see if I can find it. But it was like 35 and some change shipped for all 4. It's basically $9 each and then shipping, but with that promotional code it brought it down. But yeah, simple, quick, easy, 5-10 minute install. And it's more of just a, people don't, it's probably gonna be hard to teach other people to use it, but at least for yourself, coming out the driver's side, you're not touching your paint, or if you have a ring on, dinging it up, or even maybe a watch, you might accidentally hit it with your watch somehow, some way, but you're not dinging up your paint, you're not touching your paint. Now you're just touching this handle. Some people say, oh, why do you need it? Well, it's just something that I like to customize my truck. So whatever I can do, cheap, simple, before I get in the performance, I'm going to do it for enhancement. So mine can be different than anybody else's. But anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe. JJ out.